Hey friends, it's Len here from 1A Auto. Today we're going to be working on our 2011 Mercedes E350, and I wanted to show you how to fix a little paint chip. If you come look over here, you're going to see exactly where I'm talking about, and I want to show you how to touch it up. And of course, if you need any parts, check us out, 1AAuto.com. Thanks. So one of the first things you want to do is just take something like a nice small dull screwdriver and just kind of go along the surface area where you're going to be working. And this is just to see if there's any other bubbles in the close by vicinity that you'd want to, flake up. Get that done now, so that way there, after you paint this, you don't have to worry about a bubble that was already there and ready to flake up happening now, or after you finish your touch up. That looks pretty great. The next thing you're gonna wanna do is use a alcohol wipe, something that you can clean up the surface with. Just wanna make sure that this is as good as you can get it. Get out any of that dirt or crud or anything else that might be stuck in there. Now we're gonna let that dry. Now that you know that it's completely dry, just take a nice clean rag, just give it a couple dabs, and just double check the area. Make sure you don't see anything that's in there that could be disturbing the new paint that we're gonna be putting on. This looks pretty great, so we'll take our brand new quality 1A Auto paint here, shake it up. I've already shaken this a bunch of times, but I'll just do it again for a good measure here. Okay, now you don't need to have a whole bunch of this paint on the brush when you're doing this. You go with less is more, and you can of course add more if you need to, like another layer. Right in. Nice. Let's do this little spot right here, since I'm already here. That looks awesome. All right, so let's let that dry, and we'll re-inspect it in a couple minutes. All right, so we waited a couple hours, taking a look at it. Looks pretty good, it's nice and dry. It's gonna make it so no moisture can get in there and cause any rot or more buildup. I would say it's good to go.
Thanks for watching. Awesome. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.